Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the iPhone is using the same Apple ID that registered the AirPods Pro. This is why authentication matters. Once done, keep the AirPods Pro in their case and near the phone so the device appears in Find My. Open Settings, then tap your name and Find My, or launch the Find My app directly. This lets you see devices tied to the account. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled so the AirPods show up. Now locate your AirPods Pro in the Devices list and tap to open their device card. You do this to access removal controls. Scroll to the bottom and choose Remove this device or Stop sharing, then follow the on-screen confirmations. This unlinks the AirPods from your Apple ID. If Mark as Lost is enabled, turn it off first because removal is blocked while Lost mode is active. You may need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm and complete the unlinking. To finish, reset the AirPods Pro if they still behave as linked. With the case open, hold the Setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Once done, make sure the AirPods no longer appear in Find My. If removal fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the iPhone, because cached data can block changes. If issues persist, verify removal on iCloud.com and contact Apple support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.